Welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel. Today we are back with another video, and in this one I'll show you a new VPN app that helps you get a strong and stable internet connection while browsing online. This app is called OneShield Tunnel VPN and it's available on the Google Play Store. Before we get started, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like, share and comment if something is not clear so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now let's get started. Open the Google Play Store on your phone. In the search bar, type OneShield Tunnel VPN. From the search results, look for the correct app by checking its name and icon, then tap Install. After installation is complete, tap Open to launch the VPN app. When you open the app, you'll need to do a few simple settings so it can work properly. First, tap on the three lines at the top of the screen and choose Update Config. This will refresh the app's resources and make sure you get the best service while using it. Next, tap on the server box and select a server that works well in your location. The app shows multiple options. Choose one that gives you the strongest connection. For this example, I'll use one from the list that works best. After that, tap on the country network box. From the options shown, search for and select All Country UDP Hysteria. This option supports all countries and works well worldwide. If UDP doesn't work for you, simply select your own country's network from the list. If your VPN time runs out while connected, you can easily extend it by tapping the Add Time button. This will increase your usage time and keep your connection stable. Finally, tap the Start button to connect. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see, it connects successfully. That's how you set up and use OneShield Tunnel VPN to get a strong and secure internet connection. Thank you for watching this tutorial and see you in the next video.